If you have to file for bankruptcy protection, can you keep your property? Hi, I'm Darrell Castle. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee, and the answer to that question is yes, you can. Your law firm is supposed to help you do that. Your law firm is supposed to help you file a bankruptcy chapter that will allow you to keep the property that you want to keep. Sometimes there might be property that you don't want to keep. For example, if you had a car or a truck that you owe more on than it's worth and you want to be free of that debt, you could do that through bankruptcy. And on the other side, if you had a home that you're upside down on, you owe more than its appraised value, and it's a drain on your budget, you could be free of that debt in bankruptcy if you so chose. But if you wanted to keep those items, there really shouldn't be any reason why you would not be able to do that, as long as you were able to make the payments. In other words, as long as you have income and a source to make the payments with. Now, if you have property that is of more value or higher equity type property, you can keep that as well in certain bankruptcy chapters. See, this is not a crapshoot filing for bankruptcy. You don't just put a case into court and say, gee, I wonder what will happen. These things are all planned out between you and your law firm before you file. And your law firm and you make a good determination about where you stand with your property, whether you can keep it in a certain chapter or whether you might do a different chapter that might better serve your needs, that sort of thing. That's what good lawyers do for you in advance, folks. So the answer is you're not going to lose your property in bankruptcy if you've got a good law firm. Hello, I'm Darrell Castle. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee. And if you have a problem with your debts, if you have financial problems that you feel like you might need help for, I'd like to talk with you about that, folks. We'll talk about your property and all the other aspects of your financial situation. You call me right now for a free appointment or contact me at the Get in Touch form on this page.